Certified Home presents to you Sukari Heights, developed by Certified Homes, is magnificently designed, luxurious, and executive residence offering world-class lifestyle. Starting from Kenya shillings 2.7 million, Sukari Heights is located in the most exclusive Kahawa Sukari neighborhood, just 15 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD and 20 minutes drive to JKIA. The location of these homes avails a short commute to work using an easy transport network, a large choice of dining and entertainment options. Designed to be the finest expression of world-class finishes, Sukari Heights is a rare opportunity to reside in one of the most exclusive addresses in Nairobi. As a resident, you will have access to lifestyle amenities including shopping center, gym, spa, eateries, and basement parking, suitable for family living as well as investment. As an investor, you will enjoy good returns on investment owning to recurring rental income, property appreciation leading to higher resale value. For further information, call 0711 128 128. You can also catch us at www.certifiedhomes.co.ke.
Muthikiriria ndakugeithia muno rucini rwa mothe hamaretwa jitagwo Kiarie wa Prestige. Tabarira ni awonjoria muthenya wa umothe na turamemerekia imwe kwa imwe kuma United States of America, Jibora, Washington. Nie na nie umothe tuoka niguo twonjorithie na andu magete ngumo muno ndamarehe tondu nindikitie kumathuthuria ngamenya wira uria mararuta ngaraniria nao gatuma andu mamathigane makamathigana na makama approve na makanjira riu kiaria andu aya no uturehere andu a diaspora ni tukoretwo tugithaka imenyithia ciao na muthenya wa mothe ndina one of the representatives no ni kwamba gutambura andu aria maingirite mutambo-ine Kinyanjui Kongo ni ndirakuona ukanjira we mutambo-ine Mwitu Muzioki Waziata akanjira mutambo-ine Munene David aranjira mutambo-ine no yo ni njui wega akoragwo kuria gwa Certified Homes na arauga Anita Stanley ni eguka niguo atwire uhoro wa project ino ikahawa sukari ino ina ngumo andu othe mararia uhoro wa project ino Vemito Wasiokia Kaiga Sukari Heights magnificently designed luxurious and executive residence offering aka ni aruga mbere ya ndarama tondu maundu maria ndirenda tuheo tuthererio wega nimo aratugwetera. Thanks so much Vemito Wasioki. Kana mpendwa na Yesu wiyokoragwo diaspora na ni hinda rituriru ya kuonjoria andu aria maigereirwo gabiro na makahituka kigerio. Kena mpendwa na Yesu, asante sana Pastor Nancy Muthondi umuthe ni atuheire githomo mandikoragwo muthenya wake tondu tukoragwo tukieruhirio hinya. Thanks so much Pastor Nancy tondu wa gutwitikiria umuthe tuke tuonjorithie. Mose Ngilana akaga mitambo-ine, asante sana. Na muthenya wa muthe he kimenyithia ndirekirite muthenya wa ira na ninyitete ndumiriri nyingi muno na andu maranjuria atiriri ucio ni CEO kana ni sales representative kana no na tondu twinake mitambo-ine muthenya wa umuthi ningumuhe mweke ucio atuike wa gututariria. Mwana withe witu mwega
muno Mr. Kiarie ni mitambo-ine ya Waves.
Ya ne ndumirwo ndumiriri nyingi muno kiuria kia mbere ndirerwo atiriri Anita Stanley ambe jitambulishe atwire kana ni CEO kana ni sales representative kana ni manager na riu ri we want to hear from the horse's mouth.
Mundu wahura.
Okay.
Mundu waikia call us about that.
Sasa leo deda Anita ogethie muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Pacific Waves International Radio and Television. Na andu maranjira marenda kwamba kumenya wiu kana we sales representative kana we manager kana we CEO. Yeah.
Okay, ndakugeithia muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Pacific Waves TV USA na mwiroreri uria we gukorwo kuothe uri okorwo wi Kenya kana wi US kana wi diaspora, any other place you are, karibu sana. I'm so happy to be here. Ni njitagwo Anita Stanley, kana Ani, maritwa maria andu manjui muno ni Anita Stanley, and I am the general manager Certified Homes.
Okay. Nĩ twakena gũkũmenya. Rĩu turenda wambe tutarathiĩ project ĩno, this mega project ĩka Sukari ĩno ĩna ngumo taki. Turenda wambe ũtwĩre atĩrĩrĩ, who are certified homes? Nĩ aya?
Certified homes, tugaga we are real estate firm.
Okay.
Na tudiraga na affordable, functional and homes and investments. Tukaga manyumba, ndiko jitegeria ndukanie Gikuyu na Githungu.
You are at liberty.
Yes. Ni wakatokaga nyumba na nyumba ici turakatha ici, we say that they are eligible for home owners and also investors. Mostly where turutaga guko, it's sorry construction. Na at the moment tureka construction hito uria twikaga tuthiaga handu tuka identify a very nice land or a very nice place. Wana to identify that place, tugathura tukagia na approvals, tugeka designs, and that's when we invite clients. To invite our clients, magoka riu tukaguru nao, we build together, whether it is a home or an investment.
Okay.
Yes.
Madam Anita ri. Kambuni cia wendia wa manyumba ona mĩciĩ nĩ nyingĩ mũno. Nĩ ũtiganu ũrĩkũ certified homes enaguo gũkĩrũka kambuni cingĩ?
Tiganu witu no njuge kindu kia mbere ni affordability. Affordability ni kuga it is ni investment kana a home mundu wothe angi afford. Our prices are so affordable to everyone. Ni tura connect the rich and the poor, tukiuga the poor, the rich and the middle class. And another thing, kaudo karakamikaga udosio unique. It's because we have done research in the market. Tukamenya niki andu marabatara in terms of wakorwo mundu arenda gukorwo na kamuci handu, wakorwo kamuci kanyamu ugigurira akakomborithia or resell later. Tukarora maundu macio mothe, tukarora tukona kindu gigwitwo location. The proximity is very important. Tukareharehe undu ucio hakuhi na the location undu ungikinyira andu aya, tugacoka tukarora the functionality of the homes or the houses. Tondu most of the time ni urakora developer ni araka kanyumba very tiny, kanyumba kanini muno. Tuka make sure what is enough and what is viable for everybody. Ati gikoro nyumba yo guikara kana nyumba yo gukomborithia, that everybody will be okay with the size. Tugacoka tukarora even the mwakire wa nyumba iyo. At the same time ni urakora nyumba nyingi ni irakwo, but the moment you get in ugakora some things that are compromised. Hetu maundu tutathire na mbere turia ukaga ugoka kurora later. So tuga combine all that, tugacoka tuka make kaundu affordable in a way that our prices are not too high, our prices are not too low. Tugacoka tugekira affordability even in payment plan. Ukirora Mr. Kiari, most of the time andu aria mendaga kugura nyumba kana andu aria mendaga ku invest in something, aingĩ nĩ arĩa mendaga guthii kuoya mortgages. Na mortgages at the end of the day ni ukoraga ni reflect a lot of interest or a higher interest by the time mundu ararikia kuriha. So tuka combine that, the person that ugeoya mortgages na mundu utangihota kuhoya mortgages, tuka combine that tukamahe a flexible payment plan. Tukakora payment plan hitu ni irakuhe timeline, atuona waruta deposit, timeline iria ukuheo ni ukuhota kuriha the deposit that is needed with easiness and something that you can be able to afford. No maundu macio mothe twa combine ugakora That's the uniqueness we have. Kau nĩ kaũndũ karĩa andũ maraga.
Anita Stanley, no nyende uhe muthikiriria na mwiroreri assurance ya uigĩrĩrĩku wa kambuni ya Certified Homes. Rimwe twanerwo ni andu nitumarehagira andu tukamatangatha magacoka media magacenjia namba cia thimu, na nĩ njũĩ niĩ nĩ njĩkĩte ũthuthuria wa Certified Homes na ũngĩona ngĩkũrehe haha ngoretwo nginya ngĩmũtũmĩra athigari mũtekũmenya tondũ nĩ ndĩrendaga kũrehere mũthikĩrĩria na mwĩroreri kambuni ndĩramenya ĩna ũigĩrĩrĩku. No nyende ũtũhe assurance no he mũthikĩrĩria na mwĩroreri ũrĩa ũngĩenda kuoya mbeca ciake aigithie na Certified Homes, ũmwacue ũigĩrĩrĩku wa Certified Homes.
Okay, kindu kia mbere kwenda kwira muthikiririe kana any investor kana mundu wothe ungienda kugura nyumba na Certified Homes, kaundu kamwe ingiuga ni ati it is very important gwika your background check. Nituithikagiria andu meke background check. It's not only the company background check. Nitwiraga andu meke background check even the directors or the management behind the company or the project. Todo taro no ukore wina company inaigweta, but you find that the directors or the people behind it, maybe they are the one who are the crooks. So ithuĩ twĩtĩkagĩria mũndũ wĩke background ya company, ucoke wĩke background ya each director that is involved, and the few people taro no njuge andũ arĩa anini matũĩ personally, they know that we have done project before. Help project twikite tuka deliver esio even as we talk right now, esio sirathi na mbere. And on top of that, the project itself, nitugwitikagiria you take all the papers you need. If andu aria mokite guko, for example taria magurite so far, ukienda gwika background ya titles, the title mugunda title niturakuhe ugathie ugeka search, ugeka search ugakora wi sawa. Niturakuhe structural design, ni architectural design sienyu kwa turaka. All the papers that you may need to make sure that you're comfortable with that. So the main thing and the main factor here, ni kuweka background ya the company and the directors behind it. And we are so open, turetekeria ndo magoka ofisi, we are availing every document that every client wants. Then twina kindu gigwitwo providing papers. By the moment you're paying or you're doing your first deposit, neturakuhe sale agreement. And sale agreement, anybody who has done the real estate or land or house transaction, it's a legal binding paper, and then later we give title. So we are welcoming everybody who wants to do. Alafu neturakuhe timeline. Nithu tutagutengeria timeline ya kuweka due diligence we wana waikia, then you come back to us. Yes.
Kogwo Anita mundu wina tubesa tokana umwire ndagathi kambuni iyo engi. Okay, what Certified Homes?
Hello.
Ni ona jigwa?
Nitirakuigua.
Kogwo no he muthikiririe na mwiroreri, especially andu aria mena guku diaspora na aria me kuria gwitu Kenya, no muhe assurance ndagathi gwi kambuni iyo engi oke aigithie na inyue.
Sorry, is it
no jigwa?
I don't know why it's hanging.
Mwana wakwa ndirona i sawa. Ni urajigwa riu?
Yes, ndirakuigua.
Okay. Tarekana twarie uhoro wa this mega project.
Ndirakuigua gitinikaga.
Sukari Heights, developed by Certified Homes, is magnificently designed, luxurious, and executive residence offering world-class lifestyle. Starting from Kenya shillings 2.7 million, Sukari Heights is located in the most exclusive Kahawa Sukari neighborhood, just 15 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD and 20 minutes drive to JKIA. The location of these homes avails a short commute to work using an easy transport network, a large choice of dining and entertainment options. Designed to be the finest expression of world-class finishes, Sukari Heights is a rare opportunity to reside in one of the most exclusive addresses in Nairobi. As a resident, you will have access to lifestyle amenities including shopping center, gym, spa, eateries, and basement parking, suitable for family living as well as investment. As an investor, you will enjoy good returns on investment owing to recurring rental income, property appreciation leading to higher resale value. For further information, call 0711 128 128. You can also catch us at www.certifiedhomes.co.ke. Most exclusive address. Starting from Kenya shillings 2.7 million, Sukari Heights is located in the most exclusive Kahawa Sukari neighborhood, just 15 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD and 20 minutes drive to JKIA. The location of these homes avails a short commute to work using an easy transport network, a large choice of dining and entertainment options. Designed to be the finest expression of world-class finishes, Sukari Heights is a rare opportunity to reside in one of the most exclusive addresses in Nairobi. As a resident, you will have access to lifestyle amenities including shopping center, gym, spa, eateries, and basement parking, suitable for family living as well as investment. As an investor, you will enjoy good returns on investment owing to recurring rental income, property appreciation leading to higher resale value. For further information, call 0711 128 128. You can also catch us at www.certifiedhomes.co.ke.
Muthikiriria turathi na mbere na kwaraniria na manager thini wa murugamiriri umwe wa Certified Homes kuma kuria gwitu Kenya. Ndona andu nimokire mitambo-ini na ndona Lisbosibori Kerempedwa na Yesu ndirakuona mitambo-ini. Joani Kirethi, asanti sana, ndirakuona mitambo-ini. Beatrice Wanjiru, asanti sana, ndona nimokire mitambo-ini. Na ndenda nitukuranitwo na Anita na ndenda kumenya kana ni arajigwa. Anita, hi no korwo kijigwa.
Ndirakuigwa.
Urajigwa wega?
Ndirakuigwa wega biũ. Yeah.
Okay.
I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Riu no atukanira uhoro wa company ino yanyu ya Certified Homes na no nyende twari uhoro wa this mega project Sukari Sukari Heights.
Yes.
No nyende tutaririe uhoro wa Sukari Heights.
Yes.
Na ututaririe nyumba ici ihana atia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sukari Heights ni project twinayo Mr. Kiari ikoria Kahawa Sukari. Estate ni Kahawa Sukari. We are calling it Sukari Heights. Because it is a mega project that is a flat. Ni flat in a 10-story building. Na thini wa flat hiyo ni hore haria kugaga affordability and proximity. Riu hau niho project hiyo irokira because proximity to town CBD ni daika 15 from the CBD todo ura exit 10 just after Kahawa Barracks. Then nyumbeo need to protect ku accommodate almost everyone because nyumbeo in a studio apartment ni iria huko tusietaga like a bed sitter, but ours is not like a bed sitter. This is here in Kenya. Ours is like a modern one bedroom. Todo ni spacious enough, and now uhote gwikira even a wall. Uhote ko separate your bedroom, so it's like a modern one bedroom. You can opt to open it or to close it, so it is spacious enough. Tuka accommodate the 2 bedrooms. 2 bedroom is also spacious because it is a master bedroom, in a lounge, in a dining room, in a kitchen, na in a kidogo gweto pantry, kana kitchen store. So that is spacious enough. Then tugakorwo na kindu gigwitwo 3-bedroom standard. 3-bedroom standard is a normal 3-bedroom. It's still spacious. Tondu ni master ensuite in a lounge, spacious lounge, in a separate dining. Ni uracoka ugakora still in a pantry, which is a separate kitchen. Inaitwa the kitchen store. Then the kitchen for all the units, they are open plan. But nitora allow customization. If you don't want to do an open plan kitchen, it can be closed for you. And then in a 3-bedroom executive, only spacious enough to do in a ginya SQ, servant quarter, which is separate. Only it's separate and it's ensuite as well. The bedroom is ensuite. So project here, the ne hotete go combine like everybody. Would get a studio, would get a 2-bedroom, would get a 3-bedroom, would get a 3-bedroom with an SQ. Nira hota go accommodate everyone. Now our prices are very friendly. Todo prices sisi to get a studio. Turameheana na 2.7. 2.7 already have 1.7 balance. Okay, in 24 months, 2 years. Same case to 2-bedroom already na 3.7. Okay, had deposit ya 1.5 balance. Okay, na 24 months. 3-bedroom the same, we are selling at 4.8. Okay, had deposit ya 1.5. The balance in 24 months. And then the executive one, we are selling at 5.7. Carry her 1.5 balance in 24 months. So project ino the neto hotete go accommodate like everyone. Todo thine wa project yo twina a basement. Ne 10th floor, yes, but we have a basement where we're going to give each and every person who will buy the unit there, we're going to give them a parking. And then we have also considered the visitors because we're giving the visitors parking on the ground floor. And on the ground floor is where we're going to do the amenities. And the amenities, these amenities ne tokugake dota supermarket, grocery stores, banking services, gym, idu shoshio the kile kia the modo afataraga ehado nyumba kana mukobori kana mwikari. We are going to make sure that they are there to the ground floor the ego corona amenity. Then how ground floor ni tutigeti some part ya shiana guthakira at least a common place where kids can play. Tuka include in this apartment ni tuwekire the high speed lift. High speed lift ni kumaanisha it is very speedy and it's spacious. Todo modu we 10th floor dari abatagia nyumba na dari abatagia ido na mikada and all that. You can be able to carry all your things and your belongings with the lift to the upstairs. Then tuka consider kindu gigwitwo power, rege kwina power outage and all that. Atiri hede lift ikarugama tondu ni twikirite backup generator and a powerful one iri hotaga go support the whole building and the lift as well. Tuka consider mae. I'm very sure most of the people nima consider mae what will happen. Kuna mae maka we are in Kiambu town and there's a lot of flow of water. But nitoko pikira backup ya borehole because we don't want to like risk with the shortages of water. Kogo nito wekira borehole. Kore igoro fiyo nitorekira kindu gigwitwo rooftop garden. Nyodo wa mundu genda kuhuruka sceneries. And where that project is a very nice place to do. Mwena wa left side where igoro fiyo nyo kuhota kuona Northland City. I'm very sure some of you have heard of the Northland City. The upcoming Northland City, to just opposite the gate. Not we are like 100 meters from the Northland City Kahawa Sukari gate. The sceneries will be so awesome. The fittings, we are doing some executive, so they are very modern. And also the uniqueness of this building is that we are allowing customization. Modono, okay, you want to push some walls here and there, as long as you're not touching on the basic structural design. We get that open plan, closed kitchen, we get a combination of cloak room and the toilet, we get with bathtubs, fittings, Korea do US, Mogaga, I want my own fittings from the US. All those things we are allowing you because from the projection from the beginning of the project, we are allowing you to come in and at least put in your idea to your own project. So that's Sukari Height. If anyone maybe has a question, maybe I can answer, but that's it.
He mundu kunjuritie ya no acokia kiuria kiu tondu kunjuragia ingikorwo ndina fittings ciakwa cia thitima ndenda gwikirwo kana he undu ndenda kuhaka rangi ringi rangi uria we thiini nie no nyenda gucenjia rangi uria ingienda no atucokeria kiuria kiu ati ona ingienda kuomora thingo ciothe no ndikahutie the main pillars ndimitue horo. I'm free with my house.
Exactly. As long as ndurahutia pillars iria cirugamitie nyumba iyo. And to add on that, it's not that we niwe uroka kumomora thingo and all that. We include uria twikaga nitu welcome our clients. We welcome you when we are starting the building. Riu ona twarugamia structure. We are sharing the floor plan with every client of us. So niarahota kumenya launch gukorwo haha, kitchen murango wa kitchen we haha, bedroom it is here. So gikorwo no wende ku ringi tugeta riu he some of them they don't want the closed pantry. Kitchen store yao closed. Makoga just open it and just put some drawers to add on some space maybe on the dining or something like that. Ruto maundu tatu ringi gikorwo ni colors cia nyumba urenda gwikira colors urenda gucenjia you're welcome to do that. The gypsum design fittings kurenda maruga matirenda tiles mundu arenda wooden floor still we are allowing that. Our engineer or architecture is in the office niarahota murahota gwikara thi mukaria mukoga no tweherie haha tutingihota. This is what we can do until now that house comes up the way someone wants.
Okay, cost implication for the same. Can we get those changes today? Cost implication ni ehana atia?
Cost implication egiukira if your fittings are too expensive. Tondu tareu ni tuna standard sheet cia we have done the BQ for the whole project. Agikorwo tureka semi-executive finishes aria moi it is a very good finishes. No gikorwo cia kurenda cikorwo ci executive tariu ni uramenya he some fittings simple taguo. There's some fittings you import and all that. What we do, we sit down with the calculations. Kiria urenda gicenjio kigikorwo ni kira fit into our price ndukuongerera anything. But if the budget is going a bit higher, then you'll be forced to add. That is if your fittings are way above our budget.
Okay, tari ngitua itua riu ri jagirirwo go communicate na office yanyu ngeigirira deposit kana ndarikia kuriha the 24 months balance.
Immediately when I wake a deposit, the reason why we are asking for 1.5 deposit, ira tuingiria into an agreement that is your unit. Now, if that is your unit, kiria tureka, so from that time, the moment you sign the sale agreement, that is your unit. From there, this is what I want. During the finishing time, tariu gikorone some few walls tuseme tariu hekindo renda gituike close kana he wall renda yehere that one you will tell us immediately. It's like all guturaka nawe step by step. The way we are building step by step, you will be able to be notified this is where your house is. So if it is something to do with finishing you kaka much later during the fittings where they are working walling, work of plastering, rangi and all that. Ya fittings nire okurio kana we okuga because we will be inviting our clients for the client day in a way that you can come and check the tiles, check the fittings and all that. During that time now you can say what if I fit this, what if I do this and all that. Gikorone nere gene wall ka wall reda kehere, that is from the beginning. The structure ya bia kwa bata. That's when you should come to the office or you communicate with us via phone or email. and we'll be able to factor that.
He mundu rajuria atiriri Anita, kana
Yes.
ndasekiwa nyumba na inyuiri ni kuri koragwo na mundu on the site kana can I access my apartment anytime o mugithia na mbere na gwaka ri ingenda guka kuona haria mukinyitie uria muraka ni muri koragwo na representative wanyu on the site mundu ingiuria ciuria na njokerie?
Yes. The site managers are from the office, and the contractor, the project manager are from the office. Ocio uraria nake during the office time kumwira mine I would like to be changed here and there is the same person urikoraga site all the time. Ucio ni uriraga taru ungiuga ni urenda guka office, you want to come to the office. No okomwira, and then that he will be able to factor all that.
Kiuria kiki ndirorio ni muthikiriria ni kuri andu mageraga ya waru na makoria ciuria njagirwo kuigirira 1.5 million deposit. Tariu ngeigua ndeto iria Anita heana ni ngwenda gwi commit ri na ndina million yakwa i handu ri ndihuritie 1.5 million ri. Do you have some consideration for the same?
Nitwikaga that consideration.
Yeah.
But most of the time uria guthiaga na mbere is I think every case is personal. Tugaga case yo yothe ni personal. Ungiuka utwire this is what I have. And this is what I can be able to raise at this and this time. Nitukuhota guthikiriria because we are saying project ino ito ni project ni partnership. We call it partnership. Gaku kanini and the company's contribution is what that will bring up the house. Most of the time niko koragwo na challenges tadu no we kore in a challenge, and I'm very sure even other companies can concur with this. Most of the time oya for example no ya besa nini from a client, a certain client, na he client yuki urarihite besa nyingi, and the other person ucio woete besa nini cieke a drag hanini ni affect the other client who has paid the full amount. No nikyo to standardizaga tukauga atiriri, if everybody can be able to raise a certain amount of money, that for example 1.5, we'll be able to know that this project will kick off. Leo daike oraruta twaku tunini installment pole ukirihana installment pole we'll be able to chip in as a company, and that's when we come in now with a contribution tugaka nyumba ukiriha kanini hanini. So at the moment nitura encourage people, if you can be able to like tondo tere wona wari hatu pesa tunini, something that you will only get into a contract with us when you get to 1.5. So the moment you pay no kunyitirira wanyitirira, but you're not in a legal contract with the company. So koro mundu no ahote gukinyia that threshold, that's what we advocate, but as I had said earlier, it is personal. Mundu wena tubesa tunini ndakaigue orugo ukagutwira ndari kana that what they have. We have considered a few, and we can also consider you. So if you have you want to invest with us, you just come and we'll be able to listen to you.
Anita hino gurie thogora uyu ni wa off plan kana ni turetikia nyumba ici ni ikuoyo no mwambia project ri thogora uyu no gumukendia nyumba ici naguo December kana next year kana ni thogora wa off plan?
In fact thogora uyu twinaguo thogora uyu thaici we can say it was like Christmas offer. Ne Christmas offer na nijo ni koretwo play video ito so much ni onete ni turaheanaga even some other offers like a holiday offer, like airport pickups. So the goro turaheanite, it was a Christmas offer, which we sat down and considered and said just also extend it to January. But the moment the up to the end of January. So 1st of February the gorosho ni urahaisha o nyumba niko haisha na 200,000. Tondu riu iyo niyo price ile twagirwo tugukorwo tukiendia, but turauga tu extendere andu a few people who are not able to like pick up through during the Christmas time. Tondu riu hindi ni kurari na some movement here and there, commitment gucokia ciana thukuru. So we said let's extend it to January, and but it will go up immediately after January, that is 1st February. It will go up, each going up with 200,000.
Koguo offer no riu itigitie thiku ithathatu expire.
Yes, exactly.
Ni muratwaraga andu holiday handu, ni muraumagaragia andu handu, mundu rawaigirira ka deposit, mundu we commit. Offer yo ho, iyo ya holiday whatever. Trip yo muratwaraga andu.
Holiday ori. Holiday ona itigaretie thiku ithathatu. Ona yo ithire. Tondu ona yo yari it was a Christmas offer. No riu ona yo itigitie thiku cigana ona ithire. But at the same time, I think andu ni maratekire advantage of that, because we have no many units left.
Okay.
Tatigaretie very few units. Koguo andu aingi already ni pick it up. Na andu ni marathi holiday.
Gakwa ni unjigeire, gakwa ni uneanete.
Nigi kwagira.
Kamu kena ala to.
Kwagira kindu.
Mundu rajuria kiriri. Mundu rajuria. Ndiramenya uria arameanisha, no ni gugicokia tu. Arajuria deposit, ndaruta deposit ya 1.5 million ri. Balance ino ya 24 months ri. Is it a reducing balance kana ni constant?
It is constant. It is constant. There na interest. There na interest yona hanini. No ogehetokia miaka ere, it will attract some interest. But if you pay within the 2 years, it's constant. Unatoka kwenderia nyumba tari toka kwenderia 2.7, ukariha 2.7 within that 2 years. There na interest.
Itora nu muraka project yo security hana atia?
Security already we have included that. I'm very sure people have seen in our flyers to a top-notch security. Though at the same time, nituramenya especially at our diaspora, nimendagarira mundu agura nyumba tuge ni vacation. Wona woka wametiga ore wametigire, you want to find it the way it was before. So we have included top-notch security in a way that hatire mundu ukahituka hatari na either swapping of card or thumb printing, something like that. Nitwikirite security in a way that gutire mundu ukihituka hau, and it is 24 hours. So there is going to in-house security, and outside the surroundings we are so secure within the vicinity of the Kahawa barracks, within their radius. So we are so protected. At the same time, Kahawa Sukari police station, it's not too far. I think it's just like 100 meters or 150 from where we are. So Hena police station, then Kahawa barracks, then we will have an in-house security as well.
So even security and neighborhood is sawa?
Yes.
Hemodora julia terere. Maybe deda kugura nyumba yo investment. Demegore joke ngaigirira milioni yakwa iguru kana milioni 2 demiedie.
It is very possible.
No tuingira plan ino teno na inywe na jagirirwo ku advertise nyumba yo yakwa after kuriha the 24 months balance kana still dabia kuriha maybe down the line after 1 year maybe I can sell that house to get in a plan na inywe kana how do you go about that? Tondu rĩngĩ no nyende kũgũra nyũmba ĩyo na niĩ ndĩrenda ona niĩ ĩkorwo ya investment of a kind. Koguo ndaigĩra 1.5 na ndambia kũrĩha rĩ, no nyendie nyũmba ĩno in the course of the time before the 24 months, kana njagĩrĩrwo kwendia nyũmba yakwa after that. Na ingĩkinyana nĩ ngũtua itua ta rĩu rĩ, inyuĩ no mũndeithĩrĩrie gwetha customers, tondũ nĩ njũĩ kwĩ agũri megũka makore nyũmba nĩ ithirire na mende handũ hau, na no mende no mauge na korwo nĩ ndĩronire mweke no nyende gũikara handũ haha. Niĩ ndĩkĩarĩwa Prestige ngĩgũra ka apartment hau rĩ, na niĩ ndĩrenda nganjorithia nako ngakendia rĩ, no tũingĩre na thĩinĩ wa plan na inyuĩ.
Yes, ũrĩa gũthiaga nĩ rĩrĩ, that's what we call investment package. In ama investors package. Remember, nyũmba ici tũkugĩte we build them for home ownership or investment. Na investment yũkaga in 3 categories in a way that no ũgũre nyũmba ĩyo ũrĩkomborithia. No ũgũre nyũmba ĩyo for speculation tarĩ toguo resale. So that an investors package. Na investors package ũgũworia kĩu nĩ kĩũria kĩega mũno, because it is very possible. Because the moment you get into a contract with us, no worry, 1.5, nyũmba ĩyo nĩ yatuĩka yaku. What would have not happened near it has not changed hands because ndũrĩkĩtie kũrĩha, but still it is your unit. Rĩu ũgĩkinya handũ ta investors nĩ mokaga mũndũ akauga ndagũra wing ĩno yothe. Wona agũra wing ĩyo yothe, by the time we are finishing tũrarĩkia kwendia agũtirĩ cigathira. So for him it is for speculation. Rĩu angĩona mũndũ tuge twamwendeirie 3.7, one mũndũ wa 4.5, he will be able to sell. Ũrĩa egwĩka noguo egũtũ-involve ithuĩ, tondũ already the unit has not changed hand to the title has not changed hand to him, tondũ arĩkĩtie kũrĩha. So what he will do, he will involve the company and the company lawyer who will facilitate now from him to the other client. Tondũ client ũyũ wagũra, ũyũ nĩ ũgacenjerio title at the end of the day. So ũrĩa twĩkaga we nĩ ũkwendia, wona wendia nyũmba ĩyo, mbeca iria ũtigarĩtie kũrĩkia nĩkĩo ũrĩkie kũrĩha, that what we will deduct from your sale, tũgũcokerie mbeca ciaku and the profit.
Mbeca ici ndĩrarĩha rĩ, transfer ya ownership rĩ, nĩ ngakorwo na cost ĩngĩ kana cost ĩyo nĩ included he package ĩno ya
cost ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ho for people who have transacted on land and property ownership. Cost ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ho peke yake no ya transfer and stamp duty. A transfer and stamp duty nayo rĩu ĩmenyekaga towards the end, na ndĩkoragwo a lot of money. It is usually either between 2 and 4. Tarĩu ithuĩ no twage kũmenya as a company, tondũ during that time government gũtimenyekaga kana makarĩhia 3% kana ni 4% kana ni 2% the stamp duty. Rĩu ĩkoragwo in between 2 and 4%. So it is only the stamp duty and the transfer. You know your cost ile mũndũ ainkaga, and it doesn't ndithiaga mbeca nyingĩ mũno.
Okay, he mũndũ ũkũigithia mbeca ciake hau na arenda gũkarĩra family yake hau. Mũndũ ũyũ nĩ arenda kũmenya atĩrĩrĩ, management ya project ĩno twarĩkia kũrĩha ithuĩ aikari a kũu rĩ, nĩ welfare tũgathondeka kana nĩ certified homes magakorwo makĩmanage?
We will manage the project. Project here wona yarĩka, certified homes will still do the management. Part of the reason why we said we want to manage the project, it's because nituonete through experience most of the companies that developer arĩkia gwaka aheana to another company, ugakora project hiyo nĩ yathũka. Everything that you had set as a developer, ugakora so many things have been messed up with. So what we want to maintain the beauty, we want to maintain everything like atuge installations, any maintenance kugikorwo he kindu giathuka, we replace with what we had put or maybe something better. So initially we are the one who are going to manage the project at the end of the day. So hatigakorwo na agent kana welfare, so it is still certified home. Yes, it will transfer the ownership, but the management part will still do. And most part of it is because of maintenance of the beauty, maintenance of the structure the way it is, and also making sure that everything is in order.
Kwena utility bills aikari a nyumba icio magakorwo makiriha ida riu.
Yes, ni gukoragwo nacio ciitagwo service charge.
Yeah.
Service charge ri ni tukoretwo na some of the clients asking service charge ni mbeca cigana and all that, and through what we have had, we've been able to capture that some people usually buy a house, but service charge becomes much more higher, even more than the rental income and all that. So having gathered all that information, we are able to know or to weigh our options to kajua this service charge, but we are going to make it like affordable and minimal the way we can. The minimum we can be able, because the most maintenance kind of it is now electricity, those maintenances of lifts. It didn't garden at the garden and all that. So most of the maintenances is making the places, making sure the place is clean. Maintenance is here lift na sitagoki na ukoro make sure the lighting of the common areas and all that. Maundu macio more than taken care. So service charge itude gukoro ire igoro, so we have considered that. Yeah.
Okay.
Tutimenyete ni mbeca cigana, but it won't be too high.
Kwina couple meguka with young families, ni kuri young families meguka kou na mena ciana irakura. Mwina ito ta entertainment si kou na kindu ta ga space ka githakirwo ni twana volleyball kana gutwarithia faithikiri ciao.
Yes, we have considered that. Naigu get the ground floor need to consider at the corner, one of the corner, need to rekira children's playground, and we'll be able to see whether ni heku hadu takanyeki uguo hetu maundu twikira gwa twaciana guthakira those craving whatever tudo tatu uguo he handu hataigetwo because of the kids. Na kuria iguru still nitwikirite rooftop garden. Still ku iguru he undu tugwika, it will not be too plain. Ni handu ungithi uguo relax and all that. If you have an event or corona kaundu renda ku hold ku iguru niturathondeka rooftop garden. So ciana ni citikirwo care downstairs, and na ciari kuria iguru you can just go and have some good time and all that. So that one is considered.
Okay, he mundu ngigura nyumba kou kana no ke akombore kou na ndari na washing machine. Have you considered about hanging lines? Kana tukuo turianikaga kou?
Yes, hanging. Yes, that one is considered. If you see, you check on our structural design.
Okay.
You'll be able to see that our balconies, that like most of the units has 2 balconies. Now most of our balconies are spacious enough. Digiri kana ni fiti sigana, but the few people are moyo horoa feet. They can be able to tell that it is spacious enough. So it is considered that ni kuhota gwikira your washing there, ni hote kwanika nguo ciaku, and it's still spacious. It's not too squeezed. Na hindi yo riu hena balcony igiri, that means wona wanika nguo ciaku the one balcony, the other side will be okay. Na tena nito consider that balcony aturi andu manikaga nguo cikambagia gwitia mai na kuria. Now there's a way we have done it that if you hang your clothes, it won't mess up anybody who is downstairs. Or they are so well done in a way that ne hado hakuwe werigiri. and it's spacious enough.
Okay. O nyumba hetwo parking icigana?
On your in a one parking, each has a one parking.
Okay.
No reu niko kwina visitors, niko gwetete kwina visitors parkings visitors parking enough in a way that ugikorwo wina ngari igiri no ukorwo na parking yaku na imwe haria ha visitors because the ground floor twekira amenities ri all round cigukorwo ci parking cia geni. So still there are many considering that tiaru of them are corona gari and considering that some of them might have 2 or 3 vehicles. So we have put that into consideration in a way that you corona gari gere still you won't lack parking.
Okay. Kulingana na ũrĩa ũratwerethera Thika Road nĩ ta kilomita cigana igĩrĩ ithatũ ũguo kuma Thika Road nginya harĩa project ĩyo ĩrĩ. Access road ya gũthiĩ project ĩyo ĩhana atĩa?
Kuma Thika Road andũ arĩa moĩ Kahawa Barracks kwambata na Sukari hetagwo Engine no thaa ici nĩ Shell. Barabara ĩyo nĩ rami, it's like 2 kilometer. Kwambata nginya hau kona-inĩ, it's like 2 kilometer nĩ rami. Aya arafu arĩa moĩ harĩa ũkinyaga ũguo tũrathi na bara ya Mwĩhoko, they know right now a stretch kau nĩ karekĩrwo rami as we talk. Andũ marahũthĩra service lane, then kuma hau nĩ 100 meters. Then our plot, it is on the second, it is a second plot from the main road.
Okay.
So what we are going to do, tondu hena bara ihitukiire hau nja wa project ito, we are going to do cabros kuma the main road ginya haria project ito iri, we are going to do cabros. So wona wa marami to get to the second plot, hatiri hado gukorana na mahiga kana doro, we'll be able to do the cabros.
Okay.
So hado hau the mirami kuma the super highway 2 kilometers. In fact kuma super highway ni 3 minutes. Mudura drive ni 3 minutes.
Okay.
Then mudura thi na matatu woyagira matatu hau bara ikuigaga stage. In fact stage e hau nja wa project iyo.
Okay. Kuma wega engine ni ratukire Shell ndatigirire engine.
Yari engine yatukire Shell.
Kiro oguo kinya muico wa Kahawa Sukari Estate hena primary school hega bara kehoke mugunda-ini wa wetagwo kwa Ngina. Gabara kau guikũrũka ũguo nginya rũĩ-inĩ rĩ nĩko waguo nĩ karekĩrwo rami?
Bara ĩyo nĩ ĩrekĩrwo rami as we talk.
Bara ĩyo rĩu nĩ ĩkũnyitana kuma super highway nginya ndaraca-inĩ.
In fact ĩranyitana kuma super highway ndaraca ĩthiĩ ũguo nĩyo ikũrũkaga ĩgathiĩ gwĩciria ĩgathiĩ Mwĩhoko. Rĩu ĩyo yothe nĩ ĩrekĩrwo, you know, side ĩno ya Mama Ngina hau niho harekirwo gate ya Northlands.
Okay.
So that's a private place now. Gutiri mundu rahituka on your left side.
Okay.
Riu niyo maranyitithana rami iyo ikiritwo hau kuma Northlands niyo iranyitithanio na gaka kangi.
Okay.
Riu gakinya haria he primary school. Hau uguo. Bara iyo yothe ni irekirwo rami. In fact right now diversion area irahetukirwo andu marahetukira nja wa project iyi. Tondu riu bara nĩ irekĩrwo rami riu andũ divertĩtwo from there. So ũngĩthiĩ hau ũbuate bara ĩyo ũkũhetũkĩra right outside where Sukari Height is coming up.
Okay. Riu nĩ njũĩ nĩ tũgũgwĩta mũthenya ũngĩ. Ndenda tũrikĩrie tũthiĩ kabrĩki kanini ũkunde tũmaĩ nani ngunde tũmaĩ.
Okay.
Thome ndũmĩrĩri cia andũ arĩa mokĩte mĩtambo-inĩ. Tũgicokereria nĩ ũgũka ũtwe ciugo ciaku cia mũico.
Okay.
Nocoke wĩre mũthikĩrĩria na mwĩroreri angĩgũkinyĩra atĩa.
All right.
Mũthikĩrĩria na mwĩroreri tũrathiĩ na mbere na kwaranĩria na Anita Stanley nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri kũrĩa gwa Certified Homes na arathiĩ na mbere na gũtũtarĩria ũhoro wa this mega project iretwo Kahawa Sukari Heights na Beatrice Wanjiru ndĩrakona mĩtambo-inĩ na Joseph Muthe ndĩrakona mĩtambo-inĩ. Monica Jerry asante sana mũtungatĩri twamwitaga Gitonga no thikũ ici etagwo Dave King nĩ mũmuonaga akĩmachi ũguo nĩ mũthigari na nĩ mũthigari mũhunjia na nĩ ndakena mũno nĩ gũkuona mĩtambo-inĩ. Ngai akũrathime mũno. Charles Tracy Wanjaũ nĩ aratũhe rũrenda rwa Certified Homes akauga nĩ www.certifiedhomes.co.ke.
Certified Home presents to you Sukari Heights, developed by Certified Homes, is magnificently designed, luxurious, and executive residence offering world-class lifestyle. Starting from Kenya shillings 2.7 million, Sukari Heights is located in the most exclusive Kahawa Sukari neighborhood, just 15 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD and 20 minutes drive to JKIA. The location of these homes avails a short commute to work using an easy transport network, a large choice of dining and entertainment options. Designed to be the finest expression of world-class finishes, Sukari Heights is a rare opportunity to reside in one of the most exclusive addresses in Nairobi. As a resident, you will have access to lifestyle amenities including shopping center, gym, spa, eateries, and basement parking, suitable for family living as well as investment. As an investor, you will enjoy good returns on investment owning to recurring rental income, property appreciation leading to higher resale value. For further information, call 0711 128 128. You can also catch us at www.certifiedhomes.co.ke.
Tũrathiĩ na mbere na kwaranĩria na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa Certified Homes Limited tukiarĩria ũhoro wa this mega project iretwo Sukari Heights. Na Anita Stanley no nyende tutirihe tabarĩra itũ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, na no nyende angĩkorwo he kaũndũ ũngĩenda kũgweta ũgwete na ũkĩra andũ ũrĩa mangĩmũkinyĩra koguo nĩ ũkũmahe contact cianyu.
Okay, thank you Mono. I'm so happy that we are still here and thank you for listening to us. Mwiroreri wa Pacific Waves na mthikiriria wa radio ya Pacific Waves USA and everybody else who is watching us. Thank you. Thank you even to the client, Remoke Temagato Trust, and they have booked the units with us. So anybody ugekorwo no wende kubook a unit at Sukari Heights or no wende information yoyothe, we have an office at Westlands. Offices ito si Westlands nyumba itagwo Westcom Point opposite Safaricom headquarters. We have with Safaricom headquarters now to our shell Westcom Point 4th floor. No to Koreko anytime from Monday to Saturday. And then Corona Wedeko visit site, still you can call us. I can leave my number. It's the office line is 0711128128. 0711128128. For those who would want to talk to me directly, I will leave my number is 0722 555 669. 0722 555 669. Website is still now the website you just check on us www.certifiedhomes.co.ke. Kana Facebook it's Certified Homes, and other platforms you can still reach out to us. So what I can tell anyone who wants to own a home or to do an investment plan, Sukari Heights is very ideal for you. The place is very quiet, and we're also going to make it ideal and luxurious, as we say, in a way that when you're there, you can be able to have a peace of mind and just utulie. You don't have even to go outside the apartment because you're going to avail the amenities that you need when you're there. So anybody who would want to own a home, it is very ideal for you. Investors, as Mr. Kerry has said, kuna opportunity nyingi muno cia investment plan. Todo taru no wega studio kau 2.7 ugekire Airbnb. Those people who knows Airbnb ni nyumba iria cikoragwo furnished, ukaweka nyumba furnished, ugekira Airbnb. Andu a diaspora ni mendete muno search in a way that eguka tu na bagi yake and they will be able to take care of them, and all that, and they fetch good amount of money at the end of the day. At the same time, the return on investment is awesome, especially by the time turarikia. No, you it is 3 minutes from the super highway, it is 15 minutes from the CBD, it is 25 minutes from the JKIA. So it is a very ideal place for you. So for investors, it will fetch a very good return on investment value. Then the resale. I'm trying to imagine right now. Studio we are selling at 2.7. Na nyumba ĩyo nĩ ĩrahaica nĩ gũthiĩ 2.9. 2.9, that means angĩkorwo he investor woete na 2.7, angiuga ciĩkinya 2.9 nĩ ekwendia yake tena 200,000 on top. By the time turoka kũrĩkĩrĩria nyũmba ĩyo, maybe it will be 3.5. So orĩa ũroya na ihenya, orĩa ũroya tene, that's when you're having like a chance of reinvestment, return on invest ĩrathiĩ igũrũ. Todo it is, ni handũ harakũra na value yayo ni harakũra. So if you want to own a home in this apartment, not many apartments, in fact very few are left, very few. Na waigua giga ni few, it is true, tondũ harĩ andũ maraga, especially the 3-bedroom executive ni icio cina demand mũno. Ũngĩenda gũtũnyitana between the 6 days, lock that price, call us on that number 0711128128. Kana WhatsApp will be able to answer that. So thank you so much, and nidakena muno Mr. Kiari even to give me a chance to talk to people. I know I will come again, but I think by the time I'm coming back, maybe we'll be having another project. And I'm sure nitukuoka journey where you have told the people that you have known us. We also want to work with you this journey. That even by the time you're giving out this project, and all that. So that's our prayer, that we're going to work together. And thank you so much to everyone who has supported us. So I'll just say goodbye for now. I will see you again. When you call that number, you will talk to me. I have that number. So I'll be able to explain everything you may need to know. So thank you and God bless you. Unless there is any question, Mr. Kiarie. Nora, ndirakuigua.
Okay. Nĩũranjigua rĩu?
You're back. You're back now.
Hena andũ erĩ magera njĩra ya Kawaru. Nĩ mauga matikwandĩka woro-inĩ atĩ wahota kũnjigua, atĩ ingĩkwĩra wahota kũnjigua. Rĩu maroria atĩrĩrĩ. Kaba gaka kana mũtingĩ extend wiki ingĩ igĩrĩ. At least mũthiĩ nginya February 15. Onokorwo nĩ memo, nĩ itano memo mũkwandĩka kambuni kana mwĩtane ka emergency meeting. At least mũmahe ta wiki igĩrĩ makorwo mecokanĩrĩria mabunja karimũ.
Oh my goodness. We have already extended a month. Already kari gathire December.
Okay.
Turaka extend mweri wa January wothe. Nĩgũcoka na harĩ ũguo ngerie kwaria na my partners njigwe kana he ũndũ ũngĩ happen. Okay. But I'm very sure tondũ nĩ very few units remaining, no twage ku extend. No, ũrĩa njugire, it is personal. Okay. Merema get to us, let them call us.
Yeah.
Let them talk to us. We might be able to listen, not to me. Yeah, it is personal. No offer your officially by 31st January. No, yeah. Somebody talk to us, we'll be able to listen.
Osio mwarajira te ena kamere gorau digake na araneo mweri 10. Ene ne twakena muno Anita. Ngai akũrathime na gwĩka. Ũngĩthiĩ management yo ya certified homes.
I will.
na ukimere from CEO desk ni tugutwarana hamwe na wira uyu wothe ni tugukiruta na inyue na Ngai ake murathime na mwike wega.
Thank you. Amen.
Bye bye. Muthikiriria.
Bye. Thank you.
Muthikiriria tukwaranagiria na mundu gwitwo Anita Stanley kuma Certified Homes. Ni ojoria nyumba na mena project kuria Kawasukari na nitwakirikia kwaranĩria nao. Peter Nyagani ndakena nĩ gũkuona, and Simon ndakuona mitambo-inĩ. Monica Jerry nĩ woka na ndona gĩcererwo mũno. Ndenda gũgũtiga na tuge atĩrĩrĩ, Ngai ũyũ nĩwe tũrenda. Ngai ũratũrehera maũndũ mega ta maya ma Sukari Heights. Ũcio nĩwe Ngai tũkwenda. Nĩtĩte gũkĩrwo Prestige ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma United States of America, jimbo la Washington. Tukana ni mutambo wa Pacific, mutambo ũrĩa ũratabataka ũrora menyuge na nenda cia rũraya. Bye bye. God bless you. God bless you.